Ni hao, Baba. It's me, Mama May. Today I'm going to show you how to cook Chinese meatballs. And for this recipe, I would use 250 grams of pork mince, and this is 500 grams, so I would use half of this pack, and like this. Okay, put in a mixing bowl, and then I'll add some ginger and the spring onion. I already chopped it into fine pieces. The recipe would be available to see in the description, so you don't have to worry about if you missed anything. For the sauces, we would need some light soy sauce like this, and some dark color soy sauce. We need some corn flour and some sesame seeds oil, plus a little bit of chicken flavor powder. Now we start to add all of the ingredients into this pork mince. So we need 1 teaspoon of chicken flavor powder, and 1 tablespoon of this light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark color soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds oil. And then after that we would put 2 tablespoons of corn flour. 2 tablespoons corn flour. And now there are all of the ingredients we needed to put in the pork mince. That's all. To make it into like a lovely soft Chinese meatballs, we also need to add some cold water. And I have also prepared 60 ml of cold water. It's a quarter cup, which is a 60 ml. I would not put in 60 ml of cold water in the pork mince in one go. I will add it in little by little. I add it in, not all in one go, so a little bit at a time. So once you add a little bit cold water, start to stir this mince. And all of the water already been absorbed into the pork mince. Add a little bit more cold water, so you can see here, and keep mixing. So once the pork mince is become like paste, like this, quite sticky type of a paste, and this the pork mince is ready to make into the meatballs. I'll show you how to cook it. Turn it on. Let it warm a little bit, and then put some oil in. about 1 or 2 tablespoons, depends on how big is the wok or frying pan you use. So this is the mince. When we start to cook this, we don't need very warm, too strong the heat, so we turn it down a little bit. So, okay, just use a spoon to make like a bowl shape. Put it in the wok, and then do another one. It is very soft, so you don't need to make it perfect round. Just put them on like this. After they cook for a couple of minutes. Put another one in, wait a bit, let it cook. So when it's all this colour, like golden brown colour on one side, and you turn around and to cook another side until it's golden brown. Once the two sides they all cooked like this colour, like a golden brown colour, and they can be put aside and to cook it into make them gravy. Okay, now we start to make some gravy for the meatballs. Put the meatballs in the wok. And then, first of all, just add 1/4 cup of cold water, like this. And then we do like teaspoon of darker colour soy sauce, because you don't want it too strong. It's about 1/4 teaspoon of chicken flavour. Gently give it a shake to mix the sauce. Now just put the lid on to cook 1 minute. Now it's cooked. You can see the sauce is boiling. Just add some corn flour mixture. The corn flour mixture. Gently sprinkle around the side, and then give it a gentle shake like this. See, the sauce is lovely and thick. It's well cooked, and it's all done for today. So this is a meatball. I steamed some broccoli. So the meatball and the steamed broccoli together is a nice combination. If you enjoy watching the video, click on the like and then you can watch the video again. If you want to watch more videos from me, please subscribe and also click on that little bell, and when I put a new videos on, and you'll be the first one to know. See you next time. Enjoy!